Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Anna.
And I'm Alex, and we're here to make your English learning fun, easy, and super practical.
If you love traveling or dream of going abroad one day,
Then today's lesson is perfect for you. We're talking about English for traveling abroad. Survival phrases you must know.
picture this. You've just arrived in another country. You're at the airport, tired but excited.
You go to a cafe and say, "One coffee?"
The waiter looks at you strangely, and you feel awkward.
"Yeah." But if you say, "Hi, could I have a cup of coffee, please?" Boom. Polite, confident, and natural.
That's why today, we'll teach you real-life phrases you'll actually use, from the airport to the hotel, restaurant, and even when you get lost.
Okay, let's start at the airport. You walk to the check-in counter. What do you say?
Hello? I'd like to check in for my flight to Paris.
Nice. And if you have bags, the staff might say, "Please put your luggage on the scale."
You reply, sure, or of course.
Now, sometimes they ask, "Do you have any liquids or electronics in your bag?"
You can say, yes, I have a laptop, or no, I don't.
Easy. Then you go through security check and the officer might say, "Please take off your shoes and belt."
Oh, yes, that always happens.
Alec, finally, when boarding, they'll say, "Can I see your passport and boarding pass?"
Just hand it over and say, here you go. Simple and polite. Now comes the part that makes everyone nervous. Immigration.
The officer might ask, "What's the purpose of your visit?"
You can say, I'm here for vacation, or I'm here for business.
Then they might ask, "How long will you stay?"
I'll stay for 2 weeks.
See? Short, clear answers are best.
And at customs, if they ask, do you have anything to declare?
Just say, "No, nothing to declare," unless you're carrying something special.
After that long flight, finally, the hotel.
Yes. When you arrive, you can say, "Hi, I have a reservation under the name Sarah Khan."
Or if you didn't book, do you have any rooms available tonight?
If you want to ask about price, how much is a room per night?
Good one. And when you need help, you can say, could someone help me with my luggage?
Or, is breakfast included?
Let's do a mini role play.
Sure.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Alex Smith.
Great. May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you, sir. Your room number is 402.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
See? Easy and polite, That's how it's done.
Now my favorite part, food.
Ha ha. Same here. When you sit down, you can say, could I see the menu, please?
And when ordering, "Can I have the chicken sandwich, please?"
Don't forget the magic word, please.
If something's missing, you can say, "Excuse me, I didn't get my drink."
Or, if you want to be extra polite, sorry, could you please bring me some water?
When you finish eating, "Could I have the bill, please?"
And don't forget to say, thank you. And maybe, the food was delicious. Okay, what if you're lost?
It happens all the time. You can say, "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?"
Or, is it far from here?
And if you didn't understand, say, "Could you please repeat that slowly?"
Let's do another quick role play.
"Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the museum?"
Sure. Go straight, then turn right.
"Sorry, could you please repeat that slowly?"
Of course. Go straight, then turn right at the traffic light.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Perfect. Always polite and clear.
And here's a bonus tip. When traveling, you'll meet locals. You can say things like,
Hi, where are you from? Or, it's my first time here.
or when you leave a shop, "Have a nice day." It always makes people smile.
Small talk makes your trip more fun and helps you practice English too. Okay, quick review time.
At the airport, "I'd like to check in for my flight."
At immigration, I'm here for vacation.
At the hotel, "Do you have any rooms available tonight?"
At the restaurant, could I have the bill, please?
And when lost, "Could you tell me how to get to the train station?"
Great job. Now let's see if you remember. What do you say when you want to pay for food?
Write your answer in the comments.
That's all for today's lesson on survival English for travelers.
We hope you feel more confident to speak English wherever you go.
Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new.
And subscribe for more fun English lessons every week.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.